Take risks. Take educated risks. Take calculated risks. If you win, you will be happy. But if you don't, then you will learn. So either way, there's a win. Conor McGregor talks about this anytime he has a loss. He says we either win or we learn. So there's always a reward if you take the appropriate risk. I just had a client that I was talking to this morning that makes good income in their job, $300,000 a year. But over the last 6 months, they made $1.3 million in semi-passive real estate investing. So I had to have this conversation, this coming to Jesus conversation with her and say, hey, you worked this many hours for the 300 grand, but you worked this many hours for the 1.2 million. Why don't we inverse that? Instead of working 75% at this job that you don't really like and is not passionate, but you cling on to it because it's low risk. But what could you do with the additional time of the 25% of your time that it took to make the 1.2 million? The story there is there's a lost opportunity cost with your time. So be proactive and take the leap. And I promise you, you will grow wings on the way down. Take care. God bless.